Alright guys, if you're watching this, that means I have some good news. I've had my eye on this car for about like a week or two now, and it's playing right now. But it's number 3060. This is what I have my eyes on. It's got some Z wheels on it. It's got like 199,000 miles, can't start, keys missing. Looks like the back seat's all taken apart, probably took the fuel pump out. Stock KA, no big deal. I'll swap that anyways. Little front end damage, nothing to worry about. But yeah, it's playing right now. Probably can't see, but yeah. So if I get this, I'll be so happy, and you're gonna see a lot more videos of it. But anyways, peace. Hey, what's up? It's Vit, and today I'm gonna be showing you my new drift car. So I already checked it out yesterday. I actually made a video, but there was a bunch of wind when I was kind of doing the overview, so it kind of sucks, and I'm just gonna do it again because there's no wind today and there's nobody here at the shop, so I have all this space to pull it up and probably start taking some things off, seeing what I need. I already actually bought a radiator and a MAF sensor housing thing for the intake, so let's go check that out. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that. That's pretty much the little overview for now. I do have a lot more work to do. I'm waiting on a 2-row aluminum radiator and the MAF sensor. So once I get those, I can probably get it to run way better. And I actually just realized that it needs another sensor on like the main intake part. So hopefully I can find that and get it sent over here so I can replace it quick. So let me know if you want to see more of this. Obviously I'm going to be posting more of it, so subscribe if you want to see that. Hit the notification bell so you know when it's uploaded. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you think of any mods that I should add or things I can do, or if you have parts for sale, let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Peace.